I have a half in the car.
Riding on it, I'm gonna walk the whole circuit, so I'll do my thing down.
I didn't ride. I mean, I'd still be riding it every morning, sleeping. I'd only going out for a hike. So, I'm not worried about it. I don't want to know. I'm in shape, more or less. You know what? First we have to walk it 5 miles. Like I said.
Yeah, so that's not hard.
Yeah, with a day pack.
Yeah, you can. Where's that tank? What's it look like on that one?
We're just turning into a red. Probably got an hour and a half on this tank.
Wait till you see this blue over we're about ready to look at over here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the feathers are unbelievable.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's just about as rough a looking bird as I've ever seen.
Okay.
It's also a Dremel bed. It'll ruin my Dremel bed too.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, we still got one little one to do.
Leave it to you.
Yeah, right above the tank there. Oh, sorry.
We're on loose. Well, at least it went the other round.
Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, she is a gem.